Bitcoin Mining Explained Fast, a step-by-step guide for 2025 with real-world tips, SEO-friendly answers, and zero fluff. If you pictured pickaxes, forget it. Modern Bitcoin mining is all silicon and SHA-256. This search-first explainer covers the hardware, the math, the money, and the risks. Stick to the end for a quick recap and ROI checklist. If you're researching how to start Bitcoin mining in 2025, you're in the right place. Step 1. What mining actually does. Bitcoin mining secures the blockchain by verifying transactions. It also builds new blocks that nodes can validate. Miners compete to solve a cryptographic puzzle called proof of work using SHA-256. First to solve broadcasts the block, earns the block reward, and collects transaction fees. That incentive keeps the decentralized network honest. Step 2. The puzzle simply. Every block has a header. Miners run that header through SHA-256 repeatedly. The goal is a hash below a target value. Because outputs are unpredictable, miners tweak a number called the nonce. They hash billions of times per second. That brute force race is your hash rate. Higher hash rate, higher chance to win blocks. Step 3. Difficulty and halving. Bitcoin auto-adjusts difficulty about every 2 weeks to target 10-minute blocks. When hash rate rises, difficulty climbs. Roughly every 4 years, a halving cuts the block reward in half. PUs. Key Spec 1, hash rate in THS. Key Spec 2, efficiency in JTH. Key Spec 3, power draw in watts. Step 5, costs and ROI. Profitability depends on Bitcoin price volatility. Your electricity rate, cents per kW, is critical. Hardware cost and lead time matter, include pool fees and your uptime. Use a mining profitability calculator. Plug in THS, efficiency, energy price, and pool fee. With expensive power, solo home mining likely won't be profitable post-halving. Plan for heat, loud fans, and a dedicated 240V circuit. Step 6. Mining pools. Winning solo is tough, so most miners join a pool. You contribute hash rate, the pool aggregates power. When the pool finds blocks, you're paid proportionally. Choose reputable pools with low fees, transparent stats, and payout modes like PPLNS or PPS+. Step 7. Software and setup. Connect your ASIC via Ethernet. Update to the latest manufacturer firmware. Point it to your mining pool URL and use your Bitcoin wallet address as the username. Set fan curves and power limits for efficiency. Enable auto restart for stability. Monitor temps, reject rates, and uptime. Key to consistent payouts. Step 8. Wallets and payouts. Use a secure Bitcoin wallet, ideally a hardware wallet for long-term storage. Double-check addresses before payouts. Track payouts and log expenses for taxes. Step 9. Energy and heat. ASICs pull serious power and dump heat. Plan proper ventilation and airflow. Reduce noise and add dust filtration. Repurpose heat. Warming a garage improves effective efficiency. Step 10. Red flags. Avoid cloud mining promises. Avoid unrealistic ROI calculators. Ignore social media DMs and do your own research. This is not financial advice. Recap. ASIC hardware, cheap electricity, a reliable pool, a secure wallet, and constant monitoring.